This is going to blow your mind. Today, let's talk about something quite extraordinary: worm compost. It's like magic for your garden, but the secret lies in the incredible work of our little wriggly friends, the worms. These composting champions munch on your kitchen scraps and garden waste, turning them into something truly special. Worm castings, also known as vermicast. Trust me, this isn't your average compost. Worm castings are like black gold for your garden. Worm castings are bursting with nutrients and beneficial microbes that your plants will absolutely adore. They improve soil structure, enhance water retention, and promote healthy root growth. So, if you want to give your garden the very best, it's time to embrace the power of worm compost. Imagine a garden teeming with life where every plant thrives. Let's delve deeper into what makes it so remarkable. Stay tuned as we explore the wonders of worm composting and how you can start your own worm bin at home. Think of worm compost as a superfood smoothie for your plants. It's packed with all the essential nutrients your plants crave, making it an incredibly effective way to boost their growth and health. Compared to traditional compost, worm castings boast significantly higher concentrations of essential nutrients. This means your plants get more of what they need to thrive. We're talking nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all the good stuff that makes your plants strong, healthy, and productive. These nutrients are vital for various plant functions, from root development to fruit production. Imagine feeding your plants a bland salad versus a delicious, nutrient-packed meal. The difference in their growth and vitality is astounding. That's the difference worm compost can make. It transforms your garden into a lush, thriving oasis. Your plants will be greener, more vibrant, and produce tastier fruits and vegetables. The benefits are clear and undeniable. And the best part? These nutrients are released slowly over time, providing a steady supply of nourishment to your plants throughout the growing season. This ensures consistent growth and bountiful harvests. Now let's talk about the secret ingredient in worm compost: beneficial microbes. These microscopic helpers are like tiny superheroes for your soil. They break down organic matter, making nutrients more accessible to plant roots. Worm castings are teeming with these beneficial bacteria and fungi, creating a thriving ecosystem in your soil. This boosts soil structure, improves drainage, and enhances your garden's natural ability to fight off pests and diseases. It's like giving your garden a dose of probiotics. A healthy soil microbiome is essential for happy and productive plants. In a world facing environmental challenges, embracing sustainable practices is more important than ever. Our planet is under immense pressure from pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Every small action we take can make a significant difference in preserving our environment for future generations. Worm composting allows you to reduce household waste, minimize your carbon footprint, and cultivate a thriving garden, all at the same time. By turning your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost, you're not only helping your plants grow, but also contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. By composting your kitchen scraps and garden waste with worms, you're diverting organic material from landfills, where it would otherwise decompose and release harmful greenhouse gases. This simple act can significantly reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, making a positive impact on our environment. Instead, you're transforming it into a valuable resource that nourishes your garden and the planet. The rich, dark compost produced by worms is packed with nutrients that help your plants thrive, leading to healthier and more productive gardens. So why not join the worm composting revolution? It's an easy and effective way to make a positive impact on the environment. Plus, it's a great way to connect with your community and share sustainable practices. It's a rewarding and eco-friendly way to create a thriving garden and contribute to a healthier planet. By adopting worm composting, you are taking a step towards a greener future, one compost bin at a time. Join the worm composting revolution with Mobius 8 Organics. Visit our website to learn more and get started today. Remember to like this video, share and subscribe to the Mobius 8 Organics channel. Thank you for joining us.